Namaste all of you. Today we are going to discuss about section 11.4 of class 8 CBSE syllabus, that is a force can change the state of motion. So today we are going to discuss about this section, a force can change the state of motion. We have already discussed about force. It's a kind of push or a pull acts on an object. You just consider this bangle kept on this level surface. You can keep it on a tabletop or concrete floor, etc. Now, we just want to push this bangle along this level surface. So, I'm going to push this bangle. Push this bangle means what? I'm going to apply some force on this bangle. Okay, so I'm applying some force on this bangle. So, what did you observe here? When I pushed the bangle, it moved, right? Okay, so the bangle, it was actually in a state of rest, but when I pushed the bangle, it moved, right? That means when I applied some force on it, it moved. So, a force, it can change the state of an object. Right. This bangle was initially in a state of rest. Okay. It is now in a state of rest. That means it is not in a moving condition. It is in a state of rest. But when we apply some force on it, what happens? It moves. That means it changed the state of rest to the state of motion. So when we apply some force on an object, that force can change the state of an object. Okay. Now, if we push this bangle again while it is moving, what happens? This bangle is moving in a particular direction and we are applying some force F on this bangle along the same direction. So what happens? The speed of the bangle will increase. Right. That means a force can change the speed of an object. A force can change the speed of an object. Next, you place a book in front of the moving ball. The ball moves in a direction which is shown by that arrow marks here. The ball is moving in a particular direction and we just want to keep or place a book in front of the moving ball. Then remove the book as soon as the ball touches it. What will happen to the speed of the ball? The speed of the ball will decrease. Right. So, what all these observations we discussed so far suggest? These observations suggest that a force applied on an object may change its speed. If the force applied on an object is in the direction in which it moves, the speed of the object increases. If the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then it results in a decrease in the speed of the object. Now, we are going to see whether the application of a force can only change the speed of an object. Consider a toy car which is moving in the forward direction as shown in the first figure, the top one. It moves in a particular direction which is actually shown by that pink colored arrow mark. Okay. Now, if we apply a force along a direction which is shown by that green color arrow mark, then what happens? The car will change its direction of motion as shown in second figure, right? In the first figure, the car was actually moving in a particular direction, that is in the forward direction. and we applied a force which is in a particular direction as shown by that green colored arrow mark. Then what happens to the motion of that car? Its direction changes, no? Its direction changes and the car may move in a different direction. So here the car also changes its direction too. Right, so there will be some change in speed too, but there is also a change in its direction due to the application of a force on this car. Right. A change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion or both is described as the change in its state of motion. Thus, we can say that a force can bring a change in the state of motion of an object. A force may bring a change in the state of motion of an object. The state of motion of an object is described by its speed and the direction of motion. The state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed. Zero speed means what? Zero speed means the object is not moving. Right, that is the object is at rest actually. So an object may be at rest or in motion, both are its state of motion. And the state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed.